STOPGAP 400 is a protein-free powder mixed with water and is designed for repairing and making good internal floors, steps and stairs. Application is quick and simple. First, remove any loose chippings and dust. Then, wet the area of concrete to be repaired by working water into all crevices. Leave to soak in while preparing the STOPGAP 400. Mix the required quantity with water to achieve a thick, smooth consistency. Using 2 float trowels, form the STOPGAP 400 to the correct shape. STOPGAP 400 is a slump-free compound and will be self-supporting immediately after application. Carefully polish off the surfaces and leave to set prior to application of the floor covering.